Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Samia Shabbir from the Dow University of Health Sciences, Karachi, Pakistan. Thank you so much for providing me the opportunity to present my work on homologous proteins in D. melanogaster for SARS-CoV-2 human interaction. Animal modeling holds profound importance in understanding the disease biology of the pathogens and to develop therapeutic strategies against it. Drosophila melanogaster could be used due to ease in handling, cost effectiveness, fast breeding, and short life cycle. Nearly 75% of human disease related genes have functional homologue in D. melanogaster, and over 170 human diseases have been successfully modeled in the fruit fly. This research proposes D. melanogaster as an organism to model different aspects of SARS-CoV-2 infection. SARS-CoV-2 human interactome was first developed in cytoscape by creating manual nodes and edges of nearly 400 human proteins that have shown to bind with 28 SARS-CoV-2 proteins, coalescing two previous studies. Here is a schematic representation of SARS-CoV-2 human interactome between 28 SARS-CoV-2 proteins with nearly 400 human proteins, where blue diamond represents SARS-CoV-2 protein and green circle represents human protein respectively. It is noted that few interaction modules such as NSP1, NSP4, NSP5, and NSP15 are coalesced together by the common interactors, whereas some remain orphaned. Orthologous protein in D. melanogaster were identified by NCBI genome-specific blast, ensemble genome browser, and OrthoMCL. Here is a schematic representation of SARS-CoV-2 genome with human protein interactors that are indicated in the red block linking to the SARS-CoV-2 protein. Presence or absence of D. melanogaster orthologs of human proteins are mentioned by name or red cross respectively. Out of 400 different human proteins, orthologs of over 300 Drosophila protein were found. Operationally, the final decision for the presence of ortholog in D. melanogaster is based on the principle when at least both NCBI genome-specific blast and OrthoMCL identifies the same protein as an orthologous protein in D. melanogaster for the target human protein. Maximum number of orthologs were identified for human protein that interact with four SARS-CoV-2 protein include M, NSP7, NSP8, and ORF8. Importantly, orthologs of both ACE2 and TMPRSS2 that are involved in the viral attachment and entry respectively were also identified in the D. melanogaster. Microarray-based expression of respective D. melanogaster protein were retrieved from fly atlas for 26 different anatomical positions, and heat map were then generated using FluxWift. Heat map showing the expression of D. melanogaster protein that are homologous to the human proteins interactors with SARS-CoV-2 protein as mentioned on the top of each map, where anatomical organs or the positions and expression values of genes were clusters on the basis of strongest correlation and arranged as tightest clusters first. Microarray-based gene expression data revealed noticeable variation in the expression of these genes in different anatomical organs of the fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, implying potentially differential phenotypic manifestations as a result of heterologous cloning of the viral SARS-CoV-2 protein in D. melanogaster. The present findings suggest the suitability of D. melanogaster as a model organism to investigate the biology of SARS-CoV-2 genes or proteins. Furthermore, it could be exploited to screen inhibitors or the disruptors designed against SARS-CoV-2 for their efficacy and safety in model systems like D. melanogaster. I am very grateful to my fly families, including my supervisors, Dr. Mustaq Hussain and Dr. Nusrat Jabi. I am also very thankful to my research team members from right to left, Nasiruddin, Fawzia Raza, Anusha Manullah, Aisha Ashraf Beg, and Basma Aziz for all their support and encouragement. Thank you so much.